iMyFone 9th Anniversary Offer. To show our gratitude to our users and subscribers, we've decided to share this great holiday offer with you. Enter our event page lucky draw for a chance to win from 50% to 80% off iMyFone product. We're also offering our biggest package discounts this day season. For all the times, iMyFone has offered you the best selection of premium products like Anyto, Mirror 2, Lock Wipe, D-Back, and Chattered. But right now, during this holiday offer, you can get all these 6 in one bundle, just for $139.05, which saving you nearly $560. Also, if you just need one of our hot product, you can also get it with a great discount. They're now all on sale. Head to our anniversary event page to enter the draw, browse bundles, and grab your discount. Thanks for being part of the iMyFone family.